Hello to everybody. Today I'm talking about the retrograde motion of Mars in 2020. Mars stations retrograde every 26 months. With these retrogrades normally last between 2 or 2.5 months. During these transits, Mars appears to move backward in the sky. Mars embodies our drive and ability to act. While we may think of Mars as a warrior planet exclusively concerned with the offensive, actually, Mars plays both sides of the battlefield equally well. A dignified Mars has more than enough power to strike as well as strike back, depending on the needs of the moment. During a retrograde period, you may think that past experiences repeating themselves, giving you an opportunity to review your approach and perhaps make changes. You may find negative emotions and reactions rising up, especially jealousy, resentment. All of this can make you defensive, jealous, and even passive-aggressive under a Mars retrograde. But there are also opportunities. Mars is retrograde in Aries in 2020, and it's about taking back your personal power, taking responsibility for the things that have hidden in your deep inner in yourself, and take action to change them. Where are you suppressing your power, and how can you express it more clearly? You may consider your energy level and the way you generally focus your energy, perhaps coming to a new understanding of how or where you are holding back your natural dynamism, especially in October when Mars squares expansive Jupiter. Mars retrograde may be a period of coming to terms with the limits of your energy and power. It's equally likely through that it may find you digging deep in your unconscious, where you may have buried the primal power of Aries, rediscovering the great reserves of power available for you and the passion to use them well. They may be a battle of wills, perhaps with someone you have seen as a rival, as you take back the power to be your own hero. Let's see the entire cycle of Mars in Aries in 2020. Mars ingress in direct motion in Aries on 28 June. Then Mars is going into retrograde station on 10 of September. Then it's going to retrograde motion on 11 of September. Mars is in direct station in Aries, of course, on 14 November. Then it's in direct motion on 15 November. And finally, Mars ingress in direct motion in Taurus on 7 of January 2021. And this is the moment when this total cycle of Mars retrograde is ended. What I recommend you to do during this retrograde cycle of Mars: it is preferable to avoid extreme sports and events involving imprudent and risk of accident actions. Try not to respond to challenges of any kind during this period. Do not rush things. If you see obstacles in your actions, try to find constructive solutions to move forward. The more you resist the changes, the more you will have conflicts with others. Take more care of yourself and avoid surgery, especially in everything that is about head area, in the head and on the head. So this is the more sensitive area, everything related to cars, army, police, and so on, can be affected. The affected zodiac signs are, of course, Aries, and the place where the Aries is in your natal chart, and Scorpio, because also Scorpio is ruled by Mars. So this is the main information about Mars retrograde motion during 2020. Near to this moment, I will make another vlog to see how this retrograde period will affect each of you according with your ascendant. Do you know where Mars will affect you in your natal chart? Do you have Mars retrograde in your natal chart? Do you know what it means? I will make another vlog about this topic. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.